Hi everybody, welcome to Nature's Masterpiece YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a natural remedy for sore throat and cough. This remedy is actually a traditional Persian remedy that I've learned from my grandma. Now all we need to do is to have 2 teaspoons of quince seeds. Now put the seeds in 1/3 cup of lukewarm water. Wait some minutes till you see mucilage. Mucilage is a gelatinous solution extracted from the seeds. Okay, it's ready. We can either drink it with seeds or we can remove seeds and then drink it. No difference. I drink the mucilage and swallow the seeds. Try it once and you will see the difference. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.